OBS is the easiest and most popular software for screen recording and video streaming, in video storage site as well as social media. If you install the first time OBS on your computer, you need to arrange some setting for clear, high-quality screen recording. Now I am using OBS for recording, but it is not good quality. The letter is not clear. The image is not clear. So I am going to show how to record screen with high-quality video. Step 1. After installing OBS on your computer, open your OBS. Go to Setting. Go to Output Setting. Go to Output Mode. Select Advanced. Go to Recording. Select Recording Format. I chose MP4 Format. Select Encoder X264. Select Rate Control VBR. Increase bitrate 2500 to 60,000. Make CRF 23 to 20. Then press Apply button and Step 2. Go to Audio Setting. Select your sample rate. I chose 48 kHz, but you can choose 44 kHz, it is only for audio. It is not necessary. Step 3. Go to the video setting. Choose video resolution. Here, I chose Full HD format 1920 by 1080. Chose frame rate 60. Press Apply button and press OK button. Close your OBS application. Step 4. Now reopen OBS application and start recording. Oh. Yes, it is so clear recording. Congratulations.